Facing error 500X when trying to connect to Zoom meetings. This error can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you have important meetings to attend. But don't worry, we've got a solution for you. Error 500X typically occurs due to network connectivity issues or outdated Zoom applications. While you can attempt to fix it manually by checking your internet connection, restarting your router, or updating the Zoom app, these solutions can be time-consuming and might not always work. Save time and avoid frustration by downloading our software from the link in the description below. Our tool automatically scans your system, identifies the connection issue, and fixes error 500X for you. It's quick, easy, and ensures you can join your Zoom meetings without any hassle. Download now and never miss an important meeting again.